Hi everybody. In last video we discussed regarding the nomenclature of alicyclic compounds with the rules, and in this video we are going to learn about the nomenclature of alkenes. This is the belongs to hydrocarbon category. Last videos we discussed about the nomenclature of alkanes and alicyclic compounds. This video we are going to learn about the nomenclature of alkenes. Here, whenever alkenes are there, definitely double bond will be there in the compound like this. Double bonds will be there. So whenever double bond is there, that name is going to end with "-ene". That means the suffix is "-ene". That IUPAC name is going to end with "-ene". Whenever more than one double bond, two double bonds are there, means at that time it is going to end with a diene. A will come. If three double bonds are there, if three double bonds are there, means a triene. We will see. These are all the suffixes. They are all the suffixes we are going to study now. Anyway, we will go here. This is the compound given. Based on this double bond, it is alkene. So longest chain you have to choose, including the functional group. Functional group should have the lowest number. So 1, 2, 3. So how many? Any branch is there? No branch is there. How many carbons are there? 3 carbons are there. So that what is the name? 3 carbons are there means the root will be prop. At which position double bond is there? First position. So that prop 1-ene. Otherwise you can also write prop-ene. Numbering not mentioning also not a problem, because here double bond you are giving this side or this side, the position of the double bond will get 1 only. So that here 1 is not that much important. Prop-ene is okay. We will see. Names already is there. We will see. Here prop-ene, this name is okay. And we will write next one. And including your functional group. This is my functional group. Including the functional group, we have to choose the longest chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Why we are choosing from right to left? Because from right to left our functional group is getting lowest position. So that we are choosing from right to left. Any branch is there? No branch is there. So what is the root word? 4 carbons are there means but. Which position double bond is there? First position. So that but-1-ene. Here number you have to mention, because double bond can be placed here or here or here. This position and this position is same. What is that? Here this position and this position are same, but this is different position. So that number we have to give. Definitely number we have to give. Okay. So that but-1-ene. Next compound. This is a functional group. We have to give numbering, including your functional group. Our functional group should get the lowest number. 1, 2. Second position. 1, 2. Second position. So any side from right to left or left to right, you can give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are there. Functional group getting second position. Any branch is there? No branch is there. So from root word I have to start. How many carbons are there? 4 carbons are there. So but, which position double bond is there? Second position. So 2-ene. But-2-ene. We have to check this. But-2-ene. But-1-ene is correct. But-2-ene also correct. And next, see that we have to choose the longest chain. Longest chain including our functional group. See left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4. First position and third position double bonds are there. In a similar way, I can give from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again same. First position and third position double bonds are there. So whenever equivalent positions are there, both are similar functional group, you can take any side. Any one side we can take. So I will choose from left to right. Already we discussed, whenever more than one double bond is there, at that time the name is ending with A. Here two are there, so that diene. Like that we have to write. See how we are going to write now. Here longest chain chosen, including the functional groups. Any branch is there? No branch is there. So that root word will be buta. This I have to write. Buta. Why I am writing? Whenever more than one double bond is there, A will come. A will come. Buta 1, 3. 1, 3 diene. Otherwise you can also write. What you can write? What we can write is 1, 3 buta diene. Here what is the thing you have to learn is here A is coming here. Whenever more than one double bond is there, at the time A will come with that particular root word. This is but is root word, A included here. But is root word, A included here. You can check this also. Buta 1, 3 diene. And see this. We have to choose the longest chain, including our functional group. We are choosing 1, 2, 3. Okay. First position is your functional group. What you got here in this example, branch is there. Branch is getting second position. So it is acting like a prefix. Always prefix will come first, then root word, then suffix. So what is the prefix here? What is the branch here? Methyl. Which position? Second position. So 2 hyphen methyl. Prefix is over, branch is over. Then root word. How many carbons are there? 3 carbons are there. So that the root word will be prop. Prop. Which position? Double bond is there, first position. For propene and all, position not required. We discussed in a first example. Prop, ene. Otherwise, 2-methyl prop, 1-ene. Both are correct. We check this. 2-methyl prop, 1-ene. This one not writing also, not a problem. And here, last one. See, this is example. We have to choose the longest chain, including our functional group. Functional group should get the lowest number. I am writing from left to right, because left to right means first position only double bond coming. Right to left means double bond will get the third position. So we should not choose right to left. We have to choose the numbering from left to right, because from left to right only this functional group getting lowest number. You have to give a preference for the functional group, not this branch. So that I am giving 1, 2, 3, 4. Third position branch is there. So we have to write prefix first, branch first. 3 hyphen 3 methyl branch writing. How many carbons are there? 4 carbons are there. So that root word will be but. Which position is there? First position. So that but 1-ene. 3-methyl but 1-ene. You can check this. 3-methyl but 1-ene. So these are all the names we discussed till now. We will go for next one. See here, there is a very big compound here. We have to give a name for the compound. Here what you can observe, first of all, double bonds. So these are our functional groups. This is our functional group and this is our functional group. So including this functional group, we have to choose the longest chain. Longest chain including this functional group, and also lowest sum. The functional group should get the lowest positions. Okay, now we will see this. Here 2 methyl groups are there. For our understanding, what I will write is 2 methyl low. This carbon containing 2 methyl. For explanation I am writing like this. 2 methyls are attached to this carbon, and remaining is everything is fine. What is this? C2H5. What is the meaning of this? CH2 CH3. Correct or not? CH2 CH3. That is the meaning. Correct or not? Okay. Then we will go for the numbering. I will give a numbering from left to right. So I can give 1 and 2, otherwise 1 and 2. Anyway, one branch will be there. Here I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 9. Only 9 carbons will come. Here 9 and 10. Okay, now 10 carbon chain is chosen. So left to right. While writing left to right, what are the branches? What is the position of the double bond? See, third position. This double bond belongs to third position. 3 plus this double bond belongs to sixth position. So that 3 plus 6 9. Okay. Similar way, what I will write is, I will write from right to left. We will check this right to left. From here I have to give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right to left, what is the position of the double bond? 1, 2, 3, fourth position. So 4 plus 5, 6, 7. Seventh position. 4 plus 7, 11 is the highest sum. 9 is the lowest sum. So it is preferable. This is not preferable. Right to left numbering is not preferable because the sum of the positions of the functional group getting highest here. What is our rule? Always the position of the functional group should get the lowest number. So left to right is correct one, right to left is not correct. So I am deleting that one. I don't want right to left numbering. I don't want right to left numbering. Okay, now left to right numbering only correct for this example. Okay, numbering chosen, longest chain chosen, numbering also chosen. Now identify the branches. So where the branches are located? Here second position, one branch is there. In a similar way, eighth position, this eighth position, other branch is there. Both are methyl branches only. So while writing the name, first branches, first prefix we have to write, then root word we have to write, then suffix we have to write. Under the prefix, branches will come. Two branches are there, similar branches, we have to use the small prefix di. Two are there, so that methyl. Which positions? 2, 8. So that 2, 8 hyphen dimethyl. What is that? Dimethyl. This is the prefix. Then root word. How many carbons are there? 10 carbons are there. What we discussed just now, when more than one double bond is there, means that root word is going to add with A. So generally root word is dec, but what I am going to add here? Because this is one double bond and this is one double bond. More than one double bond is there, means root word is going to add with A. 2, 8 dimethyl, deca. Which positions functional groups are there? Which positions? Third position, comma. Which position? Sixth position. 3, 6. Deca 3, 6. Diene. Otherwise 2, 8. 2, 8 dimethyl. 3, 6. 3, 6. Decadiene. That is also you can write. Here this 3 and 6 you can write. In front also, here also you can write. Both are valid. We'll check this. 2, 8 dimethyl, 3, 6 decadiene. This also correct. We'll go for next. Here give the numbering. Any side you can give the numbering because it is a symmetrical compound. I will give like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here more than one double bond is there. Which positions are there? First position, third position, fifth position and seventh position. So that in no branch is there and 8 carbons are there. the position of the double bond is 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7. How many carbons are there? Root word 8 carbons are there, so that octa, what I have to write? A I have to write. Why A? Whenever more than one double bond is there, means root word is going to add with A. 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7. Octa, how many are there? Octa, tetra, 4 are there, so that tetraene. So this is the name. We will check this correct or not. 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7, octa tetraene. Okay, go for next. Here, this is the name. This carbon attached with 2 groups. What is the name of the group? 3 carbons are there. What is that? CH2 double bond C. This carbon attached with 2 groups. What is that? CH2, CH2, CH3. CH2, CH2, CH3. Correct or not? This is the meaning. So anyway, including your functional group, this is your functional group. You have to choose the longest chain. Our functional group should get the lowest number. Okay, our functional group should get the lowest number. Give a numbering from this side, left to right. 1 2 3 4 5. 3 4 5. This is also correct. Any one you can choose. So this is the branch now. What is the name of the branch? How many carbons are there? 1 2 3. So it is a propane. So it is a branch. So that what is the name for this one? Propyl. It is a straight line chain. Straight chain, so that N-propyl. The name of the branch is N-propyl. So while writing the name, what you have to write? Branch, then root word, then suffix. You have to start first branch. What is that? At which position it is there? 1 2 3 4 5. Second position. So second position, what is there? N-propyl. Otherwise propyl also correct. Second position N-propyl. What is the root word? 5 carbons are there, so that pent. Which position double bond is the second position? So that pent 2 ene. 2 propyl also correct. 2 propyl pent 2 ene. This is also correct. So this is the name. Okay, now we will check this correct or not. 2n propyl pent 1 ene. 1 ene. What you are writing? Okay, you are writing wrong here. What is that? First position only now, so that 1 not 2 here. It is overlook. Here, what is that? First position only double bond. When you are giving numbering from left to right, this whatever the double bond is there, it is belongs to 1. So that 1 ene. Okay, now 1 ene. Okay, we'll go for next. And here, this one we will see. This is also little bit complex compound, bigger compound, so that we have to give a numbering. In such a way, our functional group has to include, and the functional group should get the lowest number. And what is the functional group? Double bond. How many are there? Only one is there. So that no problem here. We have to choose. I will choose from left to right. We'll choose 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 carbons are there. Okay, left to right we will see. Left to right means, so what is the position name? Sixth position. Our functional group is coming as a sixth position. And go for right to left. I will give a numbering from right to left here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and here 7 8 9 10. Right to left we are going means our functional group getting which position? 1 2 3 4th position. So 4th position. Which is lowest one? 4 is lowest one. This is chosen. and this is not correct one. Okay, so which numbering is correct now? Left to right numbering is not required. This is wrong. Left to right numbering not required now. Understanding what I am speaking here? Yeah, it is not required. So blue color, blue numbering is correct one. Once the numbering is given, choose the branches. What are the branches? Sixth position one methyl group is there. Sixth position one methyl group is there. Fourth position one ethyl group is there. This is methyl group. This is ethyl group. And 1, 2. Second position again one methyl group is there. So any branches are there? That's it. 3 branches are there. 2 methyls and 1 ethyl. While writing the name, first prefix, then root word, then suffix. Under the prefix, all the branches. We have to arrange these branches in the alphabetical order. So methyl and ethyl, which will come first? E has to come first. Which position? Which position? Fourth position. 4 ethyl, and sixth position methyl is there, and second position methyl is there. So that 2, 6 dimethyl, 2, 6 dimethyl. This is prefix. Then root word. How many carbons are there? 10 carbons are there. Okay, now 10 carbons. So that dec, A won't come here. Dec. Here decene. ENE. Which position ene is there? Which position double bond is there? Fourth position. Dec 4-ene. Okay, now this is the name. We will check this. 4-ethyl, 2, 6 dimethyl, dec 4-ene. Okay, now like this we have to give a numbering for any compound. So this is the nomenclature of alkenes. This is the nomenclature of alkenes. Watch this video carefully, then you can understand in a proper way. Thank you.